Right, I am back, guys. The theory is very simple. Yes, I know we are all online to make a lot of money. It's now the time for us to make money. Are you making money, or it's just a long story? What you need to master is very simple. When you are trading, yes, I know there are so many account managers. Give them your accounts, but develop yourself in trading. What is very much important is you are supposed to, number one, reduce the rich quick mind. Know that online forex trading is also a business similar to that one who is selling tomatoes or who is selling in a kiosk or a grocery shop. You don't force customers. They come using their own pace. So you accept whatever you get on that day. But we also have some targets. So you must target at least 10% of your capital. If you have $100, target $10. If you have $1,000, target $100 per day. If you have 10,000, you can target $1,000. Most traders, they are failing because they want to flip their account. When you say flipping, they want to double or triple their account. You started with only $100. You want $300 from that account, or you want $1,000. That target is too big. It can destroy you. But if you can target $100 from $1,000, you can see that if you can close $10, $10, $10, 10 times, then you are good to go for that time. This is very simple. And your lot sizes must not be bigger. They must be proportional to your account. Meaning to say, if you are using $100 account on a broker with a bigger leverage or bigger spreadsheets, then what you need to do, you need to add 0.02 per every $100. But if the broker has lower spreadsheets, you can go up to 0.10 on $100 account. This is the advantage of having lower spreadsheets. So trading is not that difficult. Many people, you are able to make living out of trading, but because you have bigger goals, this is the reason why you are failing in online forex trading. Someone is trading thinking of building a very big house. Someone is trading thinking of buying a Range Rover. Someone is trading thinking of buying a Lamborghini. But do you have enough capital to support your dream? So you must start small and grow slowly. We believe in exponential growth. When we talk of exponential growth, we are saying allow your profits to accumulate and give yourself a bigger time frames or a bigger time frame. That is the best term. You must shift it from short term to medium term or long term project. If you want to buy something which is above 50,000 from $100, you need more than 365 days. You cannot do that within 7 days. So if you target to buy a Lamborghini within 7 days, whilst you only have $100, then you will be overtraded and you will destroy your account.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and click the notification button. Click more below the video and create your own trading account. Use recommended brokers. Thank you.